I will compare GoDaddy and Shopify to see which platform is the best for building an online store. Whether you are starting a small business, dropshipping, or scaling an e-commerce brand, I will break down their features, pricing, ease of use, and overall value. Let's kick off with the ease of use and website building. So first of all, GoDaddy. GoDaddy is a simple drag and drop website builder with quick setup and is best for small businesses looking for a basic online store, so ideal for getting started. And then Shopify. Shopify has more customization, apps, and themes, ideal for scaling an e-commerce business with full control. And Shopify is also ideal for beginners, but Shopify has more features in terms of expanding and scaling your business. So let's move on to the e-commerce features. GoDaddy has basic online store features, limited pay options, and fewer third-party integrations. So that is something that you need to keep in mind in GoDaddy. And Shopify has advanced e-commerce tools, multiple payment gateways, abandoned cart recovery, and strong SEO capabilities. So maybe the most important part right now, that is pricing. So let's look at the pricing of GoDaddy. So normally GoDaddy has plans starting around $9.99 per month, but then you have fewer e-commerce features. But right now there is this limited offer called GoDaddy Arrow All Access, and this you can try for only $1 a week for 12 weeks long. So basically 3 months for $1 a week. And then you will have a lot of features, including domain names, logos, payments, basically almost anything you need. So this is a really good offer that GoDaddy is giving. And let's move on to Shopify's prices. So Shopify, you can start for free, and after you can enjoy €1 per month for 3 months. And if you check the link in the description, you will be able to click on a Shopify link that will give you a 90-day trial, 3 months actually, to try Shopify absolutely for nothing. And then you can choose to use the €1 per month for another 3 months. So that is something that is really cheap as well. And let's say you finish your trial after then you will see this basic package, and this will be €24 a month. This will be equivalent to around $25 per month. And when you are more serious, then you can advance to the Shopify package, and this will be €70, around $73 per month. So you can easily scale up when your business is really scaling, and then you will be paying $289. And this has to do with certain sales. So if you reach a certain sale limit, then you will be obligated to increase your package. So let's state a final verdict between the comparison of Shopify and GoDaddy. So I would say that GoDaddy is best for simple websites and small stores, and best for serious e-commerce and scaling. I would say that Shopify is best because scaling is better doable at Shopify, because Shopify has more extensions and stuff like that. And it is easier to increase your volume when you are on Shopify because it is more made for serious e-commerce businesses. And GoDaddy is better to get started for small businesses. So summarized, if you're looking for a quick budget-friendly way to start selling online, GoDaddy will work really well. But if you're serious about e-commerce, dropshipping, or even growing a brand, Shopify is the clear winner. And let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.